welcome once again. Today in this video, I'm gonna show some free stuff to learn coding without investing a single dollar. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the very first online coding free resource called freecodecamp site. This free online coding school created by Quincy Larson teaches coding first through an established curriculum, approx 800 hours total. Then by giving you hands-on experience working on projects for non-profits, and he recognized the need for newbie developers especially. It's perfect for learners who want to learn how to code online by getting practical hands-on experience that will do some good and look impressive on a resume. You also provide machine learning with Python, as you can see uh, here. Here they offer very many Python certification courses. So yeah, oh yes, it is here. You can see. So if you want to be a successful software developer or engineer, you must code at least minimum 1 hour daily without wasting time. So Free Code Camp offers free coding certification on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, data visualization, developer tools, Q&A testing, Node.js, React, jQuery, and much more. Moving on to next website called W3 Schools. It's an website which I personally use and recommend to try this. Hope you wanna like. Perfect for beginners, coders. W3 Schools is the world's largest web developer site, offering free coding tutorials and reference materials for learning just about every aspect of web programming. You can also test your skills with quizzes and complete coding exercises using their online editor. As you can see, it is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, server sides, learn SQL, PHP, Node.js, Raspberry. Python also is there. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, web building, and there are very and much more exercises of programming languages. You can practice here. The only website which I use mainly for my purpose only is W3 Schools, where we can also learn here. Like, see, I will show you one demo. So yeah, you can try it yourself here. Yes, it is showing page title. This is a heading. Yeah, you can use it here easily. So I recommend to use W3 Schools. The third programming language which I want to recommend you is Coursera. Coursera is one of the best places to learn to code for free with its professional and versatile course options. The site is a large online course library where classes are taught by real university professors. All courses are free of charge, but if you have the option to pay for a Coursera verified certificate, the price ranges between $30 to $100 to prove course completion. Sometimes paying for a certificate also grants access to content not available in the free versions. As you can see here, there are a lot of programming courses, Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So basically, like, they offer many far beyond your basic coding computer science topics. Moving on to next website called Solo Learn. As you can see, SoloLearn is a same social platform where anyone can learn to code. It's different than other course providers because it's mobile based. Learn coding on the go on any device with bit-sized lessons, achievements to unlock, and interactive quizzes. It makes learning to code fun, and it provides free certificate on completing a lesson. So it's a great thing about SoloLearn. Yeah, there are Python nearly 6.6 million learners, and Python, machine learning, SQL, JavaScript. So yeah, it is, as you can see, there are a ton of options you can use to learn to code for free, and taking advantage of all the free online coding resources out there is definitely the way to go when you are just starting out. However, sometimes even the best free coding courses will only get you so far. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for every update. Thanks for watching and happy coding.